Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming accounts and file locations. Sign into your Microsoft account and Google account at the same time, then open the Excel file you want to sync. Once done, place the file in OneDrive or SharePoint so it's accessible online. Make sure the workbook supports Power Query or save a copy as an XLSX. At the same time, prepare a Google Sheet and grant drive permissions so the sheet can receive imports. This avoids permission errors later. Now you'll configure the actual data transfer. If you prefer a simple route, export a CSV via Power Query refresh or schedule an Excel online flow. Then in Google Sheets, use import data for CSV or import range for another Google Sheet. For automation, create a Google Apps script that pulls the file from Drive and parses columns, or set up a connector like Zapier for event-driven transfers. Make sure column headers match and data types are finished by testing and validating the sync. You should run a small test import, check that headers, dates, and numbers import correctly, and confirm refresh intervals. Once validated, schedule automatic refreshes or set triggers in App Script. If something goes wrong, inspect execution logs and permission scopes, restore the workbook from backup if needed, and then rerun an incremental import to avoid duplicates. If stuck, ensure no locked cells or protected ranges are blocking writes, and then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.